two halves, and in soccer a free throw is given whenever there's a foul, and when there's a foul you just simply put the ball into the basket, and that is easier, so you just get a 1 point for that. The farther away you are from the basket, the difficult it is. If you're close, then it's easier, so you want to move closer to the basket. And how can you do that? Whenever you get the ball, what you can do is, one is you can travel with the ball, but you have to dribble the ball. You have to put the ball onto the ground, bounce it enough, then you can throw the ball into the basket, known as shoot. So you have three options all the time: either dribble, pass, or shoot. Now the game starts with a tip-off. So all your players, the black uniform is on one side, the white is on another side. So ball is tossed, your player jumped, your player gave a pass to your another player. Now what would happen is your goes to the opponent. And if the opposing team has done the violation, then ball will come to you. So violation is very important. So let's throw zone, or we call it lane. Now the opponent standing in our free throw lane or for more than 3 seconds, then it's called lane violation. Then we get the ball. We have a ball and we are dribbling. This is our player dribbling with two hands. That is not allowed, called double dribble. You can just use one hand at a time. You can switch between left and right hand, but at a time only one hand. Or if you're just running while carrying the ball, that is traveling. So you cannot move more than 3 feet while having ball in your hand. Another one is when your opponent is throwing the ball, it's on the rim and your player tries to tip it off. That is basket interference. You cannot do that. When ball is on the rim of the basket, you have to just allow it to fall inside or outside. And one is, I've always used to think, what if I have a player who just protect my basket like a goalkeeper in a football? So that is not allowed. If a ball is going into the basket and you're protecting it, that's called goaltending. The thing is, when ball is coming down and going into the... talked about free throws earlier. Remember this one? I told you special situation. Your player stands in this area and throws the ball into the basket. So what is this special situation? It is basically a foul. Whenever foul happens, depending upon where and when, you can get different free throws, 1, 2, or 3 free throws. So what is a foul? Basically, there's off where the foul happens, different number of free throws are given. So here's the situation. Our player has a ball. Now let's say he's trying to shoot and then opponent came and hit him. Went in, so in that case they just get 1 free throw. But if the ball would not have got in, then they would get 3 free throws. If you're attempting 2 points, then a basket happened, 1 free throw, no basket, 2 free throw. If there's a technical foul, which means there was abuses or unsportsmanship like conduct, then there's a 1 free throw. If there's a flagrant foul, that means the player has really damaged the opponent, it's very unsportsmanship, then that's a 2 free throw. Now basketball is